Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, you'll be learning how to use Stackable's tabs block. You can use the tabs block to organize the content on your page into separate tabs. Using tabs helps your website visitors navigate the information on your site without having to load another page or scroll through long content. When you add a tabs block, you will see tabs at the top in list view. This is the main block. Select this block if you need to change something in the overall appearance of the tabs block. Within the tabs block, you have tab labels. These are the tab controls that users will click to navigate the tab content. Select this if you want to change the appearance of the tab navigation. Next, you have tab content. This is the area where the content for each tab is displayed. Select this if you want to change the appearance of the entire panel that contains the content of the tabs. Within tab content, you will find inner column blocks for each corresponding tab. This is where you add the blocks or content for each tab. Now that we have a breakdown of the tabs block, let's take a look at the different customization settings available. In the Layout tab of the tabs block, you can set the number of tabs to display. Then select which tab is open by default in the Initial Tab Open drop-down list. You can choose between horizontal or vertical tab orientations. Use the tab panel offset to adjust the space between the tab labels and the tab content. Then select between Fade or Immediate for the tab panel effect. This is how your content will appear in the tab panel when clicking between the tabs. Next, let's go to Tab Labels and check out the Layout and Style options. In the Layout tab, you can toggle full width on or off with horizontal tabs. When full width is turned on, new settings will appear for text alignment. When full width is turned off, you have settings for tab alignment. Use the column gap to adjust the spacing between the tab labels in horizontal tabs, and row gap in vertical tabs. These settings are responsive and can be edited in tablet or mobile by clicking on the responsive toggle icon. Last, in the Layout tab, you have a toggle switch for scrollable tabs on mobile. Toggle this on if you want your website visitors to be able to scroll across the tabs on mobile devices. In the Style tab, here in the tab panel, you can choose from 4 different tab styles: Default, Classic, Button, or Centered Fill. You can change the button and text colors, as well as their hover colors. You can adjust the button height and the button paddings. Then customize the borders. The Tab Active State refers to the tab that is currently selected. In the Tab Active State panel, you can customize the button color and text color of the active tab. This makes it easier for your website visitors to know where they are. Tab labels come with typography settings where you can change your font. You can add an icon to your tab label simply by toggling it on. Select or upload an icon, then choose an icon position. You can assign different icons for each tab by clicking on the icons on each tab label to open the icon selector. You can further customize the look of your icon here in the icon panel. Finally, let's add content into our tabs. When you select tab content, it will open up a drop-down list of inner column blocks. Each inner column inside the tab content corresponds to the tabs in the order it appears from left to right in horizontal tabs or top to bottom in vertical tabs. Click on the tab to open up the inner column that you want to edit. You can add any type of block into the inner column to categorize your content accordingly. Tabs can be used to switch between pricing tables, to categorize product information, and more. The tabs block is another one of Stackable's versatile blocks that opens up a lot of creative options in its layout and design to improve the navigation of content in your website. Go and try out the tabs block now. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.